What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coop's House. We're back on the Chevelle again, and this episode is going to be a big one. So last week was a pretty productive week, and at the end of the episode we did say we were going to get the Driveshaft. So we got that picked up. We're super excited about it. This episode was going to strictly be focused on getting the Lexan windows made and put in the car, but we're so excited about it, we're going to go ahead and put the Driveshaft in. So we're going to do that first, and then we'll start working on Lexan windows. So yeah, anyway, let's put in a Driveshaft.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan your own.
Alright, so the Driveshaft's sitting under there. We've got a little bit of an issue with clearance, and I believe the U-joint's going to be wrong. It's a little bit too wide for the pinion that we've got. So we're going to go ahead and get started on our Lexan. So what we're going to do is we've got some big pieces of cardboard. We're actually going to take those and lay those on the car, and then we're going to mark them out and get them, where they fit decent. And then we're actually going to transfer that shape over to the Lexan before we actually cut the Lexan out. So we're going to start with our front windshield and our back glass because we're actually going to have to worry with some frames and stuff for the doors. So we're going to go ahead and start with the front glass, the back glass, and we're going to see how this goes. We've never done this before, so we're really hoping things turn out like they're supposed to. This is Coop's house. It never does. Maybe it'll change today.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace.
Alright, so it was a little bit nerve-wracking for us, but we got the windshield actually fitted. This is a rough fit. So now that everything is pretty close, we're actually going to take our DA sander with some sandpaper. We're going to go around the edges, straighten those out, and actually get all the burrs off the edge and everything, but make everything straight. And then we're going to come back in. We've got some 3/4 inch weather stripping we're going to put all the way around it because it's going to bring it out to where it sits pretty well flush with the body. So we're actually going to put that underneath, and then we'll set the windshield in there on top of that. Then we're actually going to mark out all of our holes, drill out the holes for our riv nuts, and then that way we can fit those in and actually get this thing bolted in place. We're going to go ahead and leave the plastic protective film on it, and that way we don't risk actually scratching the windshield itself, because we want to actually keep that as pretty as possible. So we're just going to leave that on until we're actually ready to go. So we're going to now go ahead and pull this back off. We're going to set the weather strip in there, and then we're gonna get this thing sanded and put back in and actually bolt it in place.
I grind on kneeling, got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.
Alright guys, so we're back in the shop today. It's been, I don't know, however many days. It's been a few days. But anyway, we're back in the shop working on the car. So we did all of this off camera. You guys saw us cut it out and actually test fit it on the car. But to be completely honest, we didn't really know how exactly we were going to go about finishing it. So we just didn't film it until we could figure it out. So now we kind of know what we're doing a little bit. The fit is decent. It's not perfect, but we did this ourselves rather than buying it. So honestly, I don't think it's that bad for us to have made it. It is what it is. But anyway, windshield is in. Looks pretty good. So we didn't have enough material in the first sheet that we used for this to do our back glass. So what we're really hoping is that we can do the side windows and the back glass out of one sheet. So next thing we're going to do is go ahead and build our side windows to fit our frame and all of that, so we can get those in and then see how much material we have left, and then that way we can build the back glass. So we're going to build our side windows next. We're going to paint the frames, get all that put in, and then just see what we got. So let's keep rolling.
Live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Alright guys, so we've been at it all day out here working on some other things. So the windows still aren't done. So we're gonna do that now. But we've kind of come up with a plan to make the quarter windows line up with the side glasses, because when we mounted them to those frames, they actually sit in about 1 inch at the back. So if we made the quarter glasses flush mount, then they wouldn't line up, we'd have a gap. And so we're just gonna make a little bracket that we can rivet the bottom of that to, so that it actually comes out, you know, flush. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make that now, and we'll show you guys how we do it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Alright guys, so we've reached the end of another episode of Coop's House. Another big week this week. So we got all of our Lexan finished and put in the car. It was a pretty challenging task, I'm not gonna lie. This is something we've never done before, so you know, it was really a learning experience all the way through. But honestly, turned out pretty decent, I think, for us, especially not to have anything to go by. So we had to make all of our own templates and all of our own windows. So I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, anyway, we appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, talk to us in the comments, because again, the more you guys interact with us, the more our videos are recommended to other people. So make sure you guys do that. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.